Alright guys, welcome back. I know you guys are probably getting tired of me being in the garage, but it's too nice out, and why be in the basement when you can be outside? And guess what? Look out here, look at my car. See that? See it? It's golf clubs for tomorrow morning. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, I guess I can open the door. Here we go, ready to go tomorrow morning. 7:30 tee time. I'll show you guys a little bit of footage of that too, so I'm ready to go. It's nice out. So let's got this mega box here, you know. I got Trevor Zegras and Swayman, and actually I did what I said I wouldn't do the other day. I opened up another blaster without being on camera, even though I said I couldn't do it, but I did it. And I got the Trevor Zegras big young gun. So I got the small one, the big one, even though the big one is only worth like 30 bucks, still cool. So this one is from Target, I think. Target's got 11 packs, and Walmart's got 8 or something. 8 or 9, whatever. There's difference. And these have the extra, not extra pack, but the rookie class pack. And the other ones have the die cut. So you got 10 or 5, 10, 11. So we'll go with the rookie class one first. Let's see what they got here. Let's see. Wow, off the bat, guys. Trevor Zegras. That's the third one. So I got 3 of these. And a Swayman. And I've got the Dazzler, this one, and the Young Guns. Let's see what we get this one. Is this going to be Caulfield? What? How do you get 2 Trevor Zegrases? Wow, one's red. The one's not. What's the difference here? What's that mean? What's that? Is that a red parallel? Zegras. Wow. We're raining Zegras. So this is a red parallel one and a regular one. Wow, and a Swayman. Wow. I mean, do I even open the rest of these packs with this start? Wow. Look at that. The red parallel Zegras, the regular Zegras, and a Swayman. Wow, and I got 10 packs to go, folks. Can't beat that. I know that I was much of the Young Guns, but this parallel one, I'm sure, even though I don't sell them running, but it's still nice to say I got a, expensive card. So this red parallel one's got to be, I would think, more than the regular one, but cool. Let's see. I mean, hell, what's next? I'm going to get a Caulfield car out of here. So I'm only missing him and that goalie. What's it, Knight or something? Young Gun. For the big name guys in this set, so let's see what happens. Bill Havert, Adam Lowry, Carver. I guess this is Cole Lind, Young Gun. I think this is the first double I got. Maybe. I'm not sure. I'll have to check. But a Young Gun's a Young Gun, so hey, after the first 3 cards I opened right there, that's incredible. You know what would really be incredible is if I get that Young Gun Zegras again in here. That would have to be probably the best pack or best mega box ever, I would think. There we go, canvas. Forgot about these. All right, I'm running out of room here. Running out of room. Wow. Put this here. Don't want to get in Swayman's way right there. Oh, it's one of those Hondo cards. I'm not really keen on those, but especially when I don't even know who the guy is. Duncan Keith. I heard his name, I guess, before. So 3 packs, 3 inserts, 2 Zegrases, and 1 Swayman. Not bad. Not bad at all. Looks like we'll get a portrait of Miro. I don't know who this guy is. We'll stick him in the Hondo pile. All right, what can happen next, folks? We've gotten something in every pack so far, and Tavaro. I don't got this guy either. Another young gun, that's cool. 2 young guns. Thought I heard something, so we still got 5 packs to go. Hey, let's get a 3rd young gun. That'll be another Zegras or a Caulfield. That'll really be incredible, won't it? It's a 3rd one. Raymond Zahora. Wow. So that's 3 young guns now. They're not nobody big that I know of so far, is it? Are they these guys? Not one of the ones I've heard to look at, but hey, 3 young guns so far, and I still got 4 packs to go. 4 packs. Who knows what's in here? There we go. What's this? Jack Eichel Superstar. All right. This box has been pretty good. Something in every pack so far. Well, looks like another Hondo. Thought those are pretty hard to get. Or at least one every so many packs. Roman Josie. All right, wow. Cool. Somebody say Claude Giroux got traded. I guess. All right, 2 packs left. Let's see. Go for 4 young guns or a young guns canvas. Let's try it, man. Looks like we got another canvas. Will it be a young guns or will it be a Zegras canvas? That'd be off the chain. Let's see. Chris Letang canvas. All right, cool. So every pack's had something in it. Let's see if we can end the perfect mega box. Yeah, let's just end it with another young gun, shall we say. Why not? Or a Dazzler. We haven't had a Dazzler. So it might be a perfect 11 for 11. Peterson, Forsberg, Keith. I think we got another one. We do. 4 young guns. I don't have this guy either. Wow. This garage has been like on fire, folks. So let's see. Let's see. We got the parallel of Zegras, the regular Zegras, the Swayman, the Hondo, Superstar Portrait, another Hondo, the Canvas, another Canvas, and 4 Young Guns. Let me know if these guys are any good, man. I like this guy. I've heard this guy before. So great. Wow. This garage is on fire right here, folks. If you guys last couple videos have been pulling some good stuff, so appreciate you guys watching. And wow, look at this. The Zegrases are falling out of the sky, folks. So please watch over. Everybody take care. Comment, like, and share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.